Hi, Neha. Hi, Neha.
Hello, Amit. How are you? Hello, Amit. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
I went to the market. I went to the market.
Oh, what did you buy? Oh, what did you buy?
I bought some fruits and vegetables. I bought some fruits and vegetables.
That's nice. Was the market crowded? That's nice. Was the market crowded?
Yes, very crowded. Many people were there. Yes, very crowded. Many people were there.
Did you go alone? Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister. No, I went with my sister.
That's good. I stayed home today. That's good. I stayed home today.
What did you do at home? What did you do at home?
I cleaned my room and watched TV. I cleaned my room and watched TV.
What did you watch? What did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie. It was very funny. I watched a comedy movie. It was very funny.
That sounds fun. That sounds fun.
Yes, it was. Do you want to meet tomorrow? Yes, it was. Do you want to meet tomorrow?
Sure. What time? Sure. What time?
Let's meet at 5 o'clock. Let's meet at 5 o'clock.
Okay, see you then. Okay, see you then.
Bye Neha. Bye Neha.
Okay, bye Amit. Okay, bye Amit.
Please like, share and subscribe for more and press the bell icon to get all notification. Thank you.